Hello, this is our presentation today for Team 787 regarding Epilepsy Safe Pillbox. The members are Simon, Jiho, and Robbie, who are all students of Bergen County Technical High School based in Teterboro, New Jersey. Next. This is the overview of our presentation today. First, we'll start the issues we're going to tackle. In the next couple slides will entail our initial hypothesis on how we might tackle the set issues. And the final two slides will feature how we might solve these issues and our prototype. Next. So overview. Our goal is to tackle the safe consumption of epilepsy controlling pill for our co-designer. And our progress so far is that we have a prototype for the app and a basic design for the pill box. Next. So issues. 1. Our co-designer suffers from epilepsy, which is defined as a neurological condition where a person's brain is not fully functioning to the point where they're susceptible to unprovoked and recurrent seizures. Issue 2. To curtail the effects of such seizure, our co-designer takes medicine and pills aimed to control the negative effects of the said seizure. However, he sometimes gets used to the manual alarm she sets and forgets to take the pill, which can potentially be lethal. Our final issue, which stems from the second issue, is the fact that even if our co-designer successfully manages to catch the alarm, sometimes she might forget to open the pill box itself and forgets to take the right amount of pills or the pills at all. Next. So our initial hypothesis to tackle this issue was a design of an app. Our initial function that we brainstormed were the following three. First, the app needs to have a timer that continuously sends alarm once it is time for it to take the pill. This will ensure that the co-designer cannot accidentally turn off the alarm and miss the pill. Second, we will play different sound or music per alarm so that our co-designer does not get used to the same sound. And our last function is we have an app that sends text messages as well so that she has a visual to remind her that she needs to take the pill as well. Next. Our second initial hypothesis was we'll design a pill box that does the following. We'll have a pill box that requires a certain mechanism or puzzle to be completed before opening. This is to ensure that our co-designer does not forget to open the box itself. And then secondly, we will have a pill box that can distinguish between different pills. Lastly, we have a pill box that opens automatically so that she does not forget to open the pill box manually. Next.
So this is solution one. So we have an app, and this app has a couple of main features. So first, it'll play a continuous alarm for a period of 1 minute, which it's ringing now. Second, it plays different sounds and alarms every time it rings in order to make sure that the client does not get used to the same alarm every single time. And three, it displays continuous pop-up messages until the box is opened, which asks the person to take the medicine. And if they don't, it'll turn off after a period of 1 minute. And also, it's not on the slides, but if the person does not take her pills after 1 minute, we will send a text message to her contacts, whoever she chooses. We will build that into the app. It was in the flowchart of the app before. And we'll tell the family to make sure that she takes her pills so she doesn't have a seizure. And now some limitations of this is that the phone has to be near our co-designer at all times. We are going to resolve this soon, I think, by using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Right now we're currently using Bluetooth. And also there's some minor issues with coding. And also we need to fix our UI and make sure everything flows nicely. So now this is our pill box. So our pillbox at the end, it's supposed to have a puzzle, automatic dispenser, and it's supposed to distinguish between different pills. Right now, currently on the right, you see we have the image there. We have some of the circuits set up. We don't have the actual pillbox and the circuit set up together, but this circuit does work. So when we press the button, it does turn off the alarm. Because we're gonna make it so when you open the box, it'll press the button, so it'll knows when it's open and it'll turn off the alarm, and it'll also send a Bluetooth signal to the app to turn off the alarm on the phone and make sure it doesn't contact her family um, using the contact feature. Um, so currently we have some wire issues um, because our wires aren't staying in, which is why we have some tape right now, but I believe we're gonna solder. And we also have difficulty balancing the puzzle. So it's not on this picture, but we have a different puzzle with LCD and a couple buttons. We're not sure how to make it difficult enough where she has to divert some of her attention to it, but have it easy enough to make sure that she doesn't be upset about the puzzle. And so that's our presentation. That's what we have made so far, and that's what we plan to make in the future. And if you have any useful feedback or ideas, or any actually, that I think that would be greatly appreciated. I think all my team members will also greatly appreciate that. And uh, yeah, thank you for watching our short presentation.